Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide.
For Chevy and GMC's 1994 to 2004 S10 and Sonoma.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift or remove your truck's cab. Slide your frame section onto the frame rail using the frame holes for alignment. Step 3. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place before welding all edges fully. Step 4. Paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Now, get back out on the road.